Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you love speed, power, and performance, this video is for you. But today, we're talking about the common mistakes that can absolutely destroy your turbo engine and how you can avoid them. Let's keep your ride running strong and fast. One of the most common mistakes I see, and it's a big one, is the cold start and go syndrome. You know the drill. It's a frosty morning. You're running late, so you start your engine and immediately hit the gas. Sound familiar? Well, I hate to break it to you, but this is one of the most damaging things you can do to your turbo engine. Why, you ask? When you start a cold engine, especially in freezing conditions, the oil is as thick as molasses. Your turbocharger, which by the way, can spin at speeds exceeding 200,000 revolutions per minute, needs proper lubrication ASAP. Accelerating hard before the oil has a chance to warm up, that's a recipe for disaster. So what's the solution? Simple. Allow your engine to idle for 2 to 5 minutes. Before driving, it's just a few minutes of your time, but it can add years to your engine's life. Now let's talk about what you're putting in your tank. The quality of fuel you use. It matters a lot. Turbochargers increase pressure in the combustion chamber, which means your fuel needs to withstand higher compression without pre-igniting. Using low-quality or incorrect octane fuel can lead to engine knocking or pre-ignition, and trust me, those little explosions in your cylinders, they're bad news for your engine. Always, and I mean always, refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the recommended fuel grade if it says premium. Don't cheap out the few extra bucks at the pump. They're nothing compared to the cost of major engine repairs. Now, let's talk about a feature in many modern, turbocharged vehicles: stop-start systems. They're great for fuel efficiency and emissions, but, and I tease a big but, they can be trouble for turbo engines. If you rely on them too heavily, it all comes down to oil circulation. Every time the engine stops, even for a few seconds, oil flow ceases. This can be a real problem. If the engine shuts off when the turbocharger is still hot, over time, this start-stop cycle can lead to increased wear, oil coking, and even damage to your starter motor and battery. So what's the solution? Use these systems wisely. Consider disabling the stop-start system every once in a while, and always use high-quality oil, approved for stop-start systems. After high-speed or high-low driving, picture this scenario. You've just finished a long highway drive. Pull into your driveway and immediately shut off the engine. Sounds harmless, right? Wrong. After high-speed or high-low driving, your turbocharger can reach temperatures over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than a pizza oven. Turning off the engine immediately cuts off the oil supply, leaving all that heat with nowhere to go. The result: oil cooking, where oil essentially bakes onto your turbocharger's components. Not good. The fix is simple. Let your engine idle for 30 seconds to a minute after high-stress driving before shutting it off. It's a small step that can make a big difference in your turbocharger's lifespan. Listen up, because this is crucial. Regular oil changes are the lifeblood of your turbo engine. In a turbo engine, oil doesn't just lubricate, it also helps cool the turbocharger. And let me tell you that oil degrades fast under those conditions. Skipping oil changes, you might as well be throwing sand in your engine. So what should you do? Consider changing engine oil every 3,500 to 5,000 miles. And always use high-quality synthetic oil, specifically formulated for turbocharged engines. Your turbo will thank you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more car tips, and drop a comment below if you've ever made one of these mistakes.